Hello dear queens, I am Anja from Arwendayle and today we're going to do an unboxing together. And I am excited because it's one of my favorite crowns by the same brand that I'm wearing on my head right now. I'm wearing the beautiful Trend in the color 613 1001 R18. I love that crown, absolutely love it. But today's unboxing is for the beautiful California beach waves. And it is a brand new color to me. Never saw this color and I'm super excited to open it live with you on camera. And so you get my first impression of the color. We love her in the normal color 14, 26, 10, but now this is the European version, the EL14, 26, 10. So let's take a look. The expectation is quite high because everyone is raving about these new colors. I'm a little bit nervous, I admit it. Are we gonna love it? Let's start with the cap construction of this beautiful crown. She has a full monofilament for the flexible parting possibility, so you can part your hair on the left, right, or in the center. She has an extended beautiful lace front for the natural effect, a machine wefted cap, an extended nape, and Velcro adjusters so you can adjust your size a little bit. Ooh. I love the color 14, 26, 10. These face framing highlights, everybody is raving about it. So I want to love it, but we will see. Oh, so I have to tell you, I am such a fan of this crown. I was a little bit nervous, but I have to tell you, I love it. It is so flattering and I love this reddish blonde. There's a little bit of red in 14, 26, 10. It's a little red in there. Oh my goodness. Is that a sexy style or is that a sexy style? I don't know what to say. I love it. I love that hair. And look at the lace front. Ooh. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. And this color. Oh, thank you, TressAllure. Thank you. Oh my goodness, I am thrilled. This is my first EL color and now I'm relaxed. I'm like, okay, bring it on. I want to see the others as well. Oh my goodness, I am so happy. I am so happy. So let's take a look what EL14, 26, 10 looks like in the daylight. Woo! She's absolutely gorgeous. So gorgeous. So pretty. This is my happy face, can you tell? Oh my goodness, this is my crown. Oh my goodness, I love her so much. Every long hair queen needs to have a California beach waves. Sorry. Size wise, my head circumference is 21.85 inches. she sits pretty tight on my head. So if you still have natural hair, you shouldn't have a larger circumference like this. Maybe you get away with 22 inches, but I'm afraid it would be a little bit tight on you. So for me, it's perfect. It's perfect. I could go to a rock concert, head banging, and she wouldn't move it. That's how secure she just lays on my head, almost like a hand-tied cap. There are absolutely zero air pockets, nothing. And I just, oh my God, I just love her so much. I'm in love. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss another wig review. And as you know, we call them crowns for a reason, because we are queens and we are crowning ourselves. Thank you. Have a great day, and I see you next time. Bye-bye.